In the previous video, I shared with you how to create a YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to verify that YouTube channel so we can unlock more advanced features. First, go ahead and access YouTube Studio. From here, head into Settings in the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, go to Channel and switch over to the Feature Eligibility tab. Right here, you will see 3 levels of verification. When you create a YouTube channel, you unlock the first verification level by default. At this level, you can create playlists, add videos to them, and upload standard videos. However, you cannot upload videos longer than 15 minutes, upload custom thumbnails, or use the live streaming feature. To unlock these, you need to verify your channel with a phone number. Go ahead and click the Verify Phone Number button. A new browser tab will pop up. You need to choose how you want to receive your verification code, either via text message or a phone call. I'm going to choose the text message method. In the Select Your Country section, pick your country, then enter your phone number right here and hit Next. You will receive a text message sent to your phone. Just enter that 6-digit verification code right here and hit Submit. You will then get a notification saying your phone number has been successfully verified. Now, head back to YouTube Studio, reload the page, and when you go back into the Feature Eligibility section, you'll see the Intermediate Features step is now enabled. For the final step, to unlock all of YouTube's advanced features, you need to complete the Advanced Features verification. At this stage, you don't use a phone number. You have to use a valid ID or record a short video of your face. Normally, YouTubers won't do this step immediately after creating a channel. They will test the waters for a while, and if the channel shows potential, they will complete this verification for long-term growth. To do this, just click the Access Features button and follow the next steps. I usually verify this step using the video verification method because it doesn't require uploading a personal ID. You just use your phone to capture your face. Also, YouTube won't keep the personal info you provide here forever. They will delete it after about 2 years. Overall, to create a YouTube channel and upload your videos smoothly, you really only need to complete this second step. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next ones.